Man, I've been seeing them and I've been craving them. Hadn't had one in years because I haven't been to LA. LA street dogs. Ain't no ketchup over here though. I'm from Chicago. No ketchup. Huh? The damn bacon won't wrap around the hot dog, so I guess I'm gonna put it in the toaster oven. These fat ass jumbo hot dogs. Toasting that bun up. Air fryer came in clutch. Now would you look at that? Just look at it. Mustard on a beat, ho. Well, it ain't a fail. Hot dog, alright. Look a little whimsy there. Bacon came out crispy and nice. The veggies, mwah. But yeah, next time I gotta get the right size. If I'd had a thinner slice of bacon, I could have wrapped it all the way down and stretched it or whatever. But let's take a bite. Just a bit hot. Right on.